Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As you know, every Monday we're here at the Panattoni Cafe to film the Coffee with Craig show, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. And Winston, let us know what the headlines for the day are.
Sure, Craig. Savills has announced that industrial and logistics rents set to continue to rise across Europe. Panattoni has acquired over 26 hectares in Silesia. NREP requires a majority stake in Swedish residential developer. And MAPIC Romania has chosen the Global Earth campus to house its operations.
Yeah, great. All right. So a lot of interesting headlines. This week, we have our Europa Property and our Serbia Monthly team that will be in Montenegro to run the Sky Running our team to run in the Sky Running Championships in Montenegro this year. So very interesting. We'll do some pictures and some videos from there. So a lot of the team and of the whole race is we're the media partners of it. So it'll be a lot of interesting things happening. Also, we are working on our retail awards and marketplace, which is taking place in Prague on September 19th, 18th, and 19th. So a lot of interesting things going on. Some big panels, great meeting place. A lot of we set up pre-meetings with owners of properties and retailers. So a great opportunity for retailers to find new locations and vice versa. For the property owners to find new retailers, whether it's more on the innovation side or actual brand new brands coming into the market, fashion, food and beverage, leisure, many different types of retailers as well. So that'll be in Prague, September 18th, 19th, and it seems like Prague is where a lot of the new fashions and new brands are coming in to start. Going into Central and Eastern Europe. We have a lot of local partners also attending, licensees, wholesalers, a lot also, and potential franchisees. So a great opportunity to meet with them if you're looking for local partners in the market. So really an exciting kind of 2 days to start off in Prague. So we hope to see you there. We'll take a little break now, and we'll come right back. We'll come back with Winston Norman in the news. So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you this Monday morning.
All right, Craig, how are you today?
Good. Sounds like a lot of exciting headlines. So interested to hear the news.
Okay, so here we go. According to Savills' latest logistics outlook, growth in prime rents is set to remain robust across the continent, having increased by 10.4% in the last 4 quarters. This is despite vacancy creeping up to 3.5% in Q1 2023, reflecting the impact of slower leasing activity. The upwards trend in EU supply is likely to continue in Q2 and beyond until a slowdown in construction starts to translate into reduced completions later this year, say Savills. In Poland, the vacancy rate has increased as fast pace to 6.2% in Q1, and this is due to the large volume of new space delivered since the beginning of the year. And according to John Palmer, head of industrial investment at Savills in Poland, investors are more and more quality and specification focused and realize the importance of all aspects of their ESG in their investments. The main concern of investors is the uncertainty of exit pricing on commercialized products. However, we see this returning quickly once global markets stabilize. Staying in the logistics industry, and Panattoni is undertaking another project in Silesia. The company has bought 26 hectares and has launched work on its first development in Bytom, which is to comprise of 3 industrial buildings. The location allows for key access to key European cities. And according to Aurelia Rachtan, the senior development manager at Panattoni, Bitterm has all the benefits of the region with good communication and a wide range of sites with utilities. The city does not have much modern industrial space, so its development potential in this respect is huge. Moving to the residential sector, and real estate investor NREP has acquired a majority stake in Clovern, a Swedish residential developer owned by the Corum Property Group. For NREP, the deal represents a unique opportunity to invest in an established and successful residential player with over 20,000 building rights in prime locations of urbanized areas of Stockholm and the Mälardalen region. And according to Rune Koch, CEO of NREP, Sweden has an increase in population growth, and this acquisition enables us to meaningfully contribute to the supply-demand gap of housing whilst growing our portfolio in collaboration with mission-aligned partners. And finally, for today, moving to Romania and in the office sector, Globalworth has announced that the MAPIC Romania headquarters will start operating in Globalworth Campus A, and they'll start in autumn this year. And MAPIC Romania is the largest Polish investor in Romania in the food and beverages sector and began its activity in the country in 1996. The new line of services provided by the biggest office landlord covered in Romania will provide MREX with their new HQ. And according to Emma Ifitme, head of leasing at Globalworth, we celebrate multiculturalism every day in the Globalworth community, but this time we welcome tradition into our business hub in Romania. And finally, Grzegorz Grabowski, CEO of MAPIC Romania. Due to the multitude of brands and activities associated with them, MAPIC Romania is continuously in a positive dynamic, so we adapt the rhythm of our company according to them.
Well, so middle of summer here and a lot of news happening, yeah?
Yeah, there's a bit of news every day, Craig.
And Rep also, of course, they're in Scandinavia, so a lot going on there as well, not only in Poland. So great to hear, and thank you all for watching this Monday edition of the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you tomorrow with the news.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.